Today, we're looking at the return of an American legend, and it's louder, meaner, and more aggressive than ever. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, and it might just be the last true beast of the V8 era. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't your average pony car. The 2026 GT500 is the final form of raw, unapologetic muscle, designed for one thing only: total domination. Right from the first glance, it grabs your attention. The shadow black paint, accented by classic Guardsman blue racing stripes, pays tribute to Shelby heritage while making a bold, modern statement. The wide body flares, enormous hood vents, and signature Cobra badging say everything you need to know. This machine is built to destroy limits. Under the hood, Ford has done something truly special. Nestled inside is a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8, pumping out a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, minus 800. That's more than a Lamborghini, Huracan, or even a Ferrari 296 GTB, paired with a dual-clutch 7-speed transmission. And rear-wheel drive, this Shelby launches like a rocket and screams like a fighter jet all the way to its 7,500 RPM redline. 0 to 60, just under 3.4 seconds. Quarter mile, around 10.7 seconds. Top speed, 200 plus miles per hour. But here's the twist. It's not just a straight-line monster. The 2026 GT500 comes equipped with MagneRide adaptive suspension, a carbon fiber rear wing, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, giving it serious grip on both street and track. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes bring everything to a halt with spine-snapping precision. Inside the cabin, Ford has struck the perfect balance between race-ready and roadworthy. You're greeted by a flat-bottom Alcantara steering wheel with paddle shifters, carbon fiber dash accents, and a massive 13-inch digital cluster. The SYNC infotainment system is fully integrated with track apps, real-time G-force meters, and lap timers. Optional Recaro racing seats and a B&O sound system round out the experience. One standout feature in the 2026 model is the new Track Beast mode, a drive setting that adjusts suspension stiffness, throttle mapping, and exhaust baffles too. Deliver the most aggressive on-track performance ever seen in a street-legal Mustang. And let's not forget the visuals. The 2026 GT500 looks absolutely menacing from every angle. Whether it's the rear three-quarters view showing off the quad exhausts and carbon diffuser, or the low-slung front end snarling at traffic lights, it earns the title beast without question. This car isn't just fast, it's a statement, a tribute to American horsepower, a celebration of Shelby legacy, and a warning to anyone who dares to challenge it. So if you're ready to hear the roar of the last great V8 and feel the thrill of over 800 horses unleashed, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is waiting. Just one question: are you bold enough to tame the beast? Asterisk, and if you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Shelby GT500, the last great V8-powered beast from Ford, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more high-octane reviews, and share this video with a fellow car enthusiast who dreams in horsepower. This is just the beginning. We've got more muscle, more EVs, and more legends coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.